I think it's crucial for anybody that's wanting to look at getting a home improvement project done to meet with us, because of our client-centric approach and our desire to provide the best education and information possible. Um, a lot of times, even if you're not going to work with us, coming to see us about what we do, how we do what we do, and the options that we have available could be, an incredible resource for you. Again, just in your decision-making process as you try to work through um, that process of picking somebody to do your home improvement project. There's things that you could learn. There's tests that we do, baseline tests on your windows to provide, kind of an understanding of where we at right now with the windows and the products in your home. There's information that we provide on the products and the warranty on installation, do's and don'ts, and how you should and how you shouldn't. So even if you just take it from the stance of wanting to be as well equipped, as best informed as you possibly can be, that is all the reason in the world to meet with us. Even if you don't think you can work with us, you don't think you can afford us, going through that process with us may be the best thing you could do for yourself and for your home.